Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this portable angle grinder. I already had this grinder for over a year now, and this is a great grinder to have. So let me show you what this product brings. So you have your angle grinder right here. So here is the handle. I like how you're able to remove it and put it on either side. So you screw it and you can put it on that side. This is the on and off button. Turn on, and this is the brake to use to change out the discs with the tool right there. Two 21-volt batteries, and here's your angle grinder. It's a nice size. Let's see how it looks. So this brings 3 blades like this, which is right here. So this cuts through the wrought iron. It's 4.5 inches. You have your tool to remove your discs. It has 2 sanding pads, which are right here, safety goggles, 2 gloves, and your charging base. It even comes with this carrying bag. It's very handy. One of the good features is that you can either turn it on by just sliding this up, and it turns on, and then it shows how many rotations, and you shut it off. If you wanna leave it on constantly, you slide it up and you take it down, and now it's on all the time. And turn it off and you slide it back down again. And it also has this safety shield right here to protect your hands and from the sparks or for any kickback. So here you can adjust how much power that you want to use. Full power, low power, medium power. And this has the LED light. You use that button right there to turn it on and off. Okay? So let me show you how to use this and how to change out the blades. So to change out the blades, you just loosen the bolt with the tool. So it makes it easy to take out blades. And once you take up the nut, you can exchange it for the new one. And here's the new blade. You just align it up, and then you put the nut back on, and then you just tighten it to your left. Make sure it's nice and tight. So line it up properly, and then you're ready to start cutting an iron rod. You see how easy it is to cut? If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great portable angle grinder. I like the weight and feel of this grinder, made very well. I also like how you're able to take this handle on and off, and you could put the handle on this side or on the other side. I like how it comes with the safety shield right here to protect from any kickback. I like that it comes with the 2 21-volt batteries, and it comes with the different angle grinder pieces, sanding, and the cutting wheel. I like that it comes with the safety glasses, with the gloves, and the charging base, and even the convenient bag that it has.